Okay, in order to remove this, we'll put these two in here. Oh, actually, you can put the big one in here too. And twist it, and it will come out. Okay? Okay, so we need to remove this one. We need to take this one out. So we need to push this one in and the other side and lift it up. Okay, so these are the two tabs that will lock it in. Okay. Okay, so now we can see the 6-pin connector here. So the red go to the left side blue and the black go to the brown right side. Okay, so the red one is to the right, to the left side, which is the blue wire, and the black one is to the brown, and then we have 13.4 volts, so that is a good one. Okay, so we put in the USB and the camera to check and see if it works. Okay, so the power is on, which means it's working. And when we turn it off, and it's gone. So that's good. So we tie wrap it to make sure that it will get pulled out of the sockets. Okay, so we slide this one, the USB connector, through there. Go through this one here and see if it works. Okay, so now let's go through and we're gonna lock it back in. Okay, so we put everything back. Is here. Okay, so it's all done. Works perfectly. Okay, so the rear is done. And this is how I hooked it up. All tucked away. All the way to the front. My gym high quality power converter for the dash cam that I'm gonna put. So they give all the tools here. And also this one is for the sticker. I think double-sided or something, so we can stick this one to the windshield. It came with the LED voltage monitor, and this one is to plug into the power on the windshield, either the rain sensor or the power mirror dimming. And this one will plug in here. So this one plug in to the power, and the voltage should show up here. And the USB I'm going to use is a USB-C. They also come with micro USB. This is the old USB. Anyhow, it's a very complete set, and it's on sale at Amazon.